using ZAP tool. Now in this video we are going to take a look at a couple of points about ZAP tool inside Kali Linux, and then how we can perform vulnerability analysis using ZAP that we are going to cover here in this video. So now you need to open Kali Linux operating system, and inside Kali Linux operating system I'm going to show you that how you can use ZAP tool to perform vulnerability analysis. So now I'm here at Kali Linux operating system inside VMware Workstation, and let's talk about ZAP tool inside it. So if you can click on applications, if you select web application analysis, then you can find here OWASP ZAP. ZAP tool is provided by OWASP, Open Web Application Security Project, and it is a free tool or an open source tool available in industry, right, for vulnerability analysis of websites. So you can click here and you can open it inside Kali Linux operating system. So you can see here that this is OWASP ZAP, right? So first of all you need to read these conditions, and after that you can select accept, right? Now it will open up inside Kali Linux operating system. The full form of ZAP is ZAP attack proxy, right? It is provided by OWASP. So here it is. So you can select the first one, click start, and here it is. So this is OWASP ZAP attack proxy graphical user interface, and if you can read here, then ZAP is an easy to use integrated penetration testing tool. So it is a tool to perform penetration testing in websites for finding vulnerabilities, for finding the weaknesses, right? So if you want to perform vulnerability analysis, then OWASP ZAP is the best tool in Kali Linux, as it is also a free or open source tool. Please be aware that you should only attack applications that you have specifically have been permission to test. So this is really important point. So if you are performing vulnerability analysis in a website, right, so you need to be aware that the website you are testing here should be sample website or your personal website. Don't try to scan somebody else's website, right? So otherwise it will be illegal. So to quickly test an application, enter the URL below. So you can type here any sample website which is for testing purpose, or if you have any website, then you can put here, right? So this is alerts option, where you will get information about all the vulnerabilities, that what are the vulnerabilities inside that website. It will list out right here. Output, search, history, everything will be available here. So how you can scan for vulnerabilities inside a website. So let me show you that how you can do this. So you can minimize it, and you can open the browser of Kali Linux operating system, right? Inside Kali Linux I'm going to use the same website which we have used in the previous video, because that's a sample website provided by Acunetics. So you can type here vulnerweb.com and hit enter, right? So this is the website I'm going to use, www.vulnerweb.com, as this is a sample website, so I can use it, as well as you guys can also use this website for testing purpose only, right? So you can right click here, you can click copy, and you can minimize it. Again you can open the OWASP ZAP and you can paste here. So this is the URL http://www.vulnerweb.com, and now what you need to do, you just need to click on attack and it will start processing. So you can click attack here, and here you can see that because it's a small website, so it won't take much time. Here you can see that it is trying to insert various kind of commands inside the website to gather information. It is still 8% completed. First of all, let me go back to Spider, because Spider is completed here 100%. What is spidering? In the previous video we have also seen spidering in Burp Suite. Spidering means find out all the web pages of the website, all the URL of the website, right? So these all are the URLs available in the website, like vulnerweb.com, robots.txt, acunetics.com, and these all are the subdomains also available in the website. Now if you go back to the active scanning. Here active scanning is available. You don't need to pay anything to perform active scanning in ZAP attack proxy, but yeah, in Burp Suite you need to purchase the paid version to perform scanning inside it, right? So you can see here that it is trying various commands inside the website or web server. You can see there it is also trying various kind of codes, right? And 100% completed. So here you can see that active scanning is completed here. So after completion of active scanning, you can check the alerts inside the website. So if you can click alerts here, then you can see here these all are the alerts available in the website. So you can check here if you open it. So these are the pages where vulnerabilities available. So for example, this is the page. Click on that. This is the page where is a low risk vulnerability available. So if you want to read about what kind of vulnerabilities there, you can read from the description of the ZAP attack proxy. You can also check other information, and solution is also providing here, right? So if it is showing you a vulnerability, first of all it will explain you, then how you can solve it inside your web application or a website. It is also suggesting you, right? And if you have no idea still that what kind of vulnerabilities, it is also showing you the references here in the below part, right? So everything is available here, right? You just need to read it properly to understand the vulnerability inside your website. So these are all are the pages available here, right? And for example, it is showing that XSS protection is not enabled. XSS is a kind of a vulnerability, and it is a major vulnerability in website. It is called cross-site scripting vulnerability, right? So it is also showing you the solution here. Ensure that the web browser's XSS filter is enabled. So XSS filter should be enabled inside your browser by setting the XSS protection header to 1. You can also read more about cross-site scripting attack using these references, right? This is about robots.txt. Same kind of vulnerability, XSS vulnerabilities available here, right? So you need to enable the XSS filter inside your browser, right, to remove this vulnerability from your website. So this is all about the scanning websites inside ZAP attack proxy by OWASP. This is active scanning, where it is trying to insert as many as commands, and then after completion of it will provide you the alerts here. And spidering is as I already told you, that spidering is a kind of process to find out the website URLs at one place, right? And then this is the history, what you have done, and alerts, this is the output. We didn't get any output here, right? So that's how you can scan a website, right? You can also create a report if you want. For example, if you click on report here, you can generate these kind of reports here. Let me give you an example here by generating an HTML report. So click generate HTML report. Where you want to save it? Let me save it on, you can save anywhere. For example, in home, you can save it by typing zap.html, click save, and you can see here that it has opened inside our browser. This is the report created by OWASP ZAP, right? It is showing you the number of alerts here, that there are 2 low alerts here, one is medium alert here, and you will see the medium alert, that what is medium alert, information about medium alert, right? So this is all about the information about alerts here. So basically the medium alert is like orange color, and the low alert is showing you here in basically yellow color. So that's how you can understand about the vulnerabilities inside a website. In the next video, I'm going to show you that how you can scan a WordPress website using WP Scan tool inside Kali Linux operating system. Thank you.